everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ria Jose and this is another Technomaria unboxing. So if you want to see what's inside this box and learn all about the brand new REALME 9 Pro Plus, keep on watching. This is very exciting because for the first time, REALME is introducing a plus version to their Number Pro series. So, di ba meron silang number series? I have the 6 Pro and I also have the 8i. Usually, they have the number, an i version which is slightly more affordable, and then a Pro version which has better specs naman but less affordable than the regular number series. In the past, I've had 5 and then this is the 6 Pro. I've had the 7 and this is the 8i. I'm currently using the 6 Pro and the 8i. Very exciting because finally, REALME is venturing into the Plus naman. So Plus is higher than the Pro. It has better specs, a little bit more expensive, but still in the mid-range. What's exciting about the 9 Pro Plus is that it focuses on night photography. That's why the hashtag is capture the light. Aside from night photography, it has really good specs, so we will know more about that in a bit. Meanwhile, let's proceed to opening this box. Bago yung setup, medyo nakikita nyo na siya paano ako mag-unbox. I'm super excited. I haven't tried or I haven't tested a premium phone in like a year or so. Mostly nasa mid-range yung mga phones ko. It's been a while, so the last affordable premium phone that I got was the 6 Pro. The REALME 9 series are now available at the REALME store in Lazada and on Shop. This is how it looks like. Let's take it out. Open the box to capture the light. I think it opens this way. Nasira! Nasira ko yung pang-pull. Tada! So the phone is over here. Oh, amazing! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because there's something else in the box. 9 Pro Plus is there. The 9 Pro Plus phone. And I have a new sunset lamp. And I have over here some photos. Aside from the REALME 9 series, they also recently launched the REALME Buds Air Pro 3. Hey squad, are you ready to hashtag capture the light like a pro? REALME, the Philippines' #1 smartphone brand for 2021. Congratulations, REALME fam. Is set to unveil its latest number series innovation to the Philippines on March 15th. We can't wait for you to experience this flagship level photography smartphones. Hashtag capture the light, hashtag REALME PH. So if you check out those hashtags, you will already see posts about the new products as well as sample shots by other bloggers and influencers. I've been really impressed by the photos that were taken by other bloggers. Look at those. So there are different street photography settings. I will talk more about that later. As per always, I show you what's at the back of the box. Usually these are where the key features are stated. So first, it has a Sony IMX766 OIS camera. It has a Dimensity 925 5G processor and it is capable of 60 watts super dark charge. And finally, it has a 90 Hz Super AMOLED display. Product code is RMX3393 and the color that I got is Aurora Green. The box alone is already very different from the usual REALME number series boxes that I got from the past. Typography is different, the design is different, mas prominent yung color black ngayon. Now let's open this box. For this video, we will simply unbox the package. And let's open. Look at that, see? And even the texture of the box is very different from past units that I got from REALME. Tada! It's the usual, hey, welcome to the REALME family. For people who are getting their first ever REALME phone, this is a very nice detail. Let's see what's inside this box. I'm very happy because it comes with a jelly case. It's convenient. And then we have the quick guide. Of course, you have to have the guide. And the other information guide, and then the SIM ejector pin. Before we take a look at the unit, let's remove it from the box. You have here the connection cable. This is both for battery charging and for data transfer. USB-C type and the Super Dart charging head. Later, I will tell you more about the battery and the battery life and the charging capability. Before we do that, let's see the unit itself. I've already mentioned that REALME number series, especially the Pro units, have a very sleek light shift design. The texture or the colors change as the light shifts. Color that I got today is Aurora Green. As you can see, we haven't removed it from the protective plastic cover. It's already very nice. Warning, this device only supports standard nano SIM card for FF. Using non-standard SIM card may cause damage to your phone. The battery cannot be removed from the device. If you need to replace, please contact REALME authorized service centers. I'm going to put a link down below where you can see a list of REALME service centers. Kala ko mapupunit ko siya. Tada! Oh my, ang ganda! It's prettier than I imagined. It's kind of blue-green. It's not as like vibrant green as I expected. Ooh, okay, this is nicer than I expected. I don't know why it's coming off as like blue, but yeah, bakit blue siya sa paningin ko? But yeah, it's Aurora Green. It's super nice. I'm excited. I want to tell you more about this phone. Let's do a comparison. So again, this is the 6 Plus. This is the 8i. I don't have the 7 with me anymore. And this is the 9 Pro Plus. Let's talk more about the specs and features of the REALME 9 Pro Plus. First, it is 5G capable. So that's very good news for me because there's already 5G accessible in our area here in Davao City. It's a bit thinner and lighter than the past REALME number series phones that I have. It's lighter than the 6 Plus and the 8i. It only weighs around 180 grams. This is one of the lightest from the REALME number series. It is also the slimmest from the number series. It compares with the 7 Pro. The 7 Pro is 8.7 millimeters thick. This is only 7.99 millimeters thick. In comparison, the 6 Pro is 8.9 millimeters thick and the 8 Pro is 8.1 millimeters. It's very comfortable to bring around and it's not bulky at all. Front has Gorilla Glass 5 and it also has a glass back. It has the light shift design. It's very beautiful. This is Aurora Green, but it's actually a bit blue-green. For my shower friends out there, it's a bit pearl aqua, right? Parang medyo shiny yung color niya. The display is Super AMOLED, again with 90 Hz refresh rate. So that's very good if you're going to use it for streaming or for gaming. Of course, it's also beneficial if you're going to use this unit for vlogging or for editing your videos, which I'm definitely going to do in the coming days. It has 84.2% screen to body ratio. So as you can see, sa edge na talaga yung screen niya. It's a 20:9 ratio, 1080 by 2400 pixels. So it runs on the brand new just released REALME UI 3.0, which is based on Android 12. The chipset, it contains a MediaTek Dimensity 920 processor. The CPU is octa-core. It has a dual SIM tray. It does not have a card slot for expandable memory, but that's okay because it has an 8 GB RAM and a 256 ROM or memory. You have 256 GB of storage. So if you are going to use this for a lot of food photos, for vlogging like I plan to do, 256 GB. I think it's gonna last me several months. Let's go to the cameras. Again, as I've mentioned, it has a Sony IMX766 OIS It has a 50MP camera, 24mm wide lens, an 8MP 16mm ultra-wide lens, plus a 2MP macro camera. And it has, of course, a LED flash. Nandito yung LED flash. So, triple camera with a LED flash. That's why there are 4 circles over there. And it can shoot HDR and panorama photos. The hashtag for this phone is capture the light. This smartphone is designed specifically to capture really nice photos and videos even in poor lighting conditions. It comes with a Street Photography 2.0 software and is capable of long exposure shots. I will be demonstrating more about that in the coming days in the next few videos that I'm going to do with the Realme 9 Pro Plus. It can also shoot in-depth photos both in daylight and in nighttime. It is capable of high-quality video recording. The highest that you can go is 4K, but only at 30 FPS. However, if you want to go higher FPS up to 480 FPS, you can just do 1080p HD recording. And if you want an even higher FPS, it can go up to 960 FPS at 720p recording. That's really high. So if you want to take really nice slow-mo videos, that's a good feature to have on your smartphone. I've already mentioned that it has a nice OIS or optical image stability for photos. We must also mention that it has a gyro EIS. It will help your videos be more stabilized, so less blurring, less noise, even when you're moving around while taking videos, especially if you're walking around, running, or when you're taking videos of sports action, kids, or pets. So that's where the gyro EIS helps out in taking nice shots. I've already mentioned the triple cameras, but we must also not forget that it has a selfie camera. Of course, this is very important when you're taking selfie photos or when you are using the unit for video conference calls, schoolwork, and other stuff. The Realme 9 Pro Plus comes equipped with a 16MP selfie camera. The selfie camera is also capable of taking HDR shots and panorama shots. Plus, it can also do video recording up to 1080p at 30 FPS, and it also has a gyro EIS software. So, stabilized kahit yung ating selfie camera. You might be wondering why I still cannot let go of Realme 6 Pro. Aside from the very beautiful design and it's very reliable, the selfie camera is top-notch. I've tried other number series phones ng Realme. Ito talaga yung best selfie camera sa akin from the Realme number series. So, I'm very excited to know how the 9 Pro Plus selfie camera will compare with the 6 Pro selfie camera. Another super exciting feature of the Realme 9 Pro Plus, this is very important nowadays, it has a heart rate monitor. I think it works well with a Realme watch. I'm gonna try it out with my Realme Watch 2 that I'm currently using. It has an optical fingerprint sensor and you can also unlock it with face recognition. And something that I haven't mentioned yet, it comes with a Dolby Dual speaker system. Another thing that I am super excited about, since I already mentioned gaming, is it has a vapor chamber cooling system. Even if you use it for long hours gaming, I keep on mentioning gaming, it's very important to me, or for entertainment, for streaming, or for taking videos, taking photos. Most smartphones, if you use them for a long time continuously, even if hindi na drain yung battery, it heats up. And that is very uncomfortable to use. Sometimes the games even warn you, or the phone warns you if it becomes too heated. Comes with a vapor chamber cooling system, just like most gaming laptops, so that it does not heat up and it does not make you uncomfortable, or it does not put unusual strain on your battery and on your unit. This is a very nice feature, especially for gamers, streamers, people who will use it for vlogging or for editing videos especially. You cannot have all those features and have it low bat ng agad-agad. It comes with a 4,500 mAh battery and it's capable of 60 watts super dart fast charging. Ibig sabihin, you can charge it up real fast. So it is said to be able to be charged up to 100% in just 44 minutes. O diba, ang bilis. Okay, I know that you are already interested in getting one of these. So how much does it cost? It retails for only 23,990 pesos. That's a mid-range price for a premium phone with high specs that are super impressive. It's just really gorgeous, guys. It looks, feels, and works like it's a flagship phone. Again, this is the first Plus phone in the Realme number series. I am actually super excited to try out the triple cameras and the selfie cameras. You know, in our house, medyo closed, lalo na yung room ko and our kitchen and our dining area. Hindi siya masyadong maliwanag. So, this is a very nice smartphone to use, I think. We'll know in the coming days. So, let's go to the sunset lamp that it comes with. Dito siya kasama sa phone, but PR kit comes with this one. So, I'm super excited kasi nasira na yung sunset lamp ko, guys. Comes with filters pala. Kaya ako bumili ng sunset lamp dati. Kasi maganda siya, super smooth lighting and night light. Ayan. Ganyan siya, guys. Yan yung effect niya. There you go, guys. That was my unboxing of the Realme 9 Pro Plus. The first Plus unit or the first Plus smartphone in the Realme number series. So again, this retails for only 23,990 and is available at the Realme flagship store on Lazada and on the Realme official store in Shopee. Of course, it is also available through authorized dealers and Realme stores around the country. Again, the links to all the information will be in the description box down below. I've already told you guys all the key features and the highlights of this smartphone which excite me so much. I don't know if it's coming up, but I'm super nahahyper ako. Na-excite, enthusiastic ako sa thought na gagamitin ko na to after I unbox this today. How about you guys? What are the features that I've mentioned or that you have researched about the Realme 9 Pro Plus that also excite you? Kasi parang masyadong maraming exciting features and highlights tong unit na to, guys. I would like to hear from you guys, so make sure to leave a comment down below, or if you have any comments and suggestions on things that I should try out with this unit. Ano yung mga vlogs, ano yung mga videos, ano yung mga photos that you want me to take using this phone, or what are the apps and the games that I should try with the Realme 9 Pro Plus para matry talaga natin, matest talaga natin if it's really that good, right? Leave a comment down below, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I hope you like this video because I really enjoyed unboxing the Realme 9 Pro Plus. Aside from it's really beautiful, exciting talaga yung mga features na shinare ko with you guys that I also want to try out for myself. If you want to know more about this phone and other Realme products, please don't forget to visit my blog Technomaria.com. And let's get connected on social media so that you can also see kung ano yung mga ipopost ko using this unit. I'm on TikTok, Ria Jose Davao, and on Instagram, Ria Jose Davao. And of course, I also have a Twitter account, Ria Jose, and I have 2 Facebook accounts, Ria Jose, and for the video content, it's on the Diyosa Life page. So make sure to get connected with me there and also leave a comment. Read the captions to know which of the photos and videos that I'm going to be posting are taken with the Realme 9 Pro Plus. Syempre, excited na ako mag-TikTok, guys. I recently got into TikTok. Or if you are a Mobile Legends player, add me up, Queen Polar, because I will be using this unit also for gaming as well. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell button so you will be updated if I have new videos featuring the Realme 9 Pro Plus and other gadgets and other content as well. Maraming pong salamat. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Paalam. Bye.